FHA versus conventional loan. This one is one of the realest decisions every buyer face. And honestly, there is no universal right answer. It all depends on you. So let's jump into the framework of figuring out which one fits you best. But before we jump into the actual presentation, let me introduce myself. I am Shan Scott, a licensed loan officer here in the state of Georgia. However, my team serves all states with the exception of New York and Massachusetts. Here on this channel, I will break down home buying and credit in plain English, no fluff, no jargon. Let's get into it. There are two big players. FHA are backed by the government, and they are built for flexibility. Conventional loans are not government based. So FHA is government based. Conventional loans are not government based. And they tend to reward you for having strong credit. Conventional loans reward you for having strong credit. That's why typically we would like to see people in that 620 range or higher, because that opens up that conventional door for you, okay? Neither one is better across the board, but the best loan is the one that fits your profile and your situation. Let's start with FHA. This one is a flexible option. It welcomes lower credit scores, generally around the 580, to get you a low 3.5% down payment, 3.5% down payment. It's more forgiving if you are someone that got debt, a few bumps in your credit history. The trade-off is the mortgage insurance, which is most FHA loan tends to stick around for the life of the loan. Okay. Now, conventional loans. This is the one with individual with the strong credit profile, strong credit options. It's usually somewhere around that 620 range, as I mentioned before, or higher. The upside to using a conventional loan, qualified buyers can put down as little as 3%. And this is the big one. The private mortgage insurance can be removed once you build up around 20% equity in the home. Okay? And that's really the core difference. The mortgage insurance on FHA, it's harder to get rid of. On conventional, the PMI falls off as you pay down the actual loan, and your house has gained value. Over the years, you own the place. So the difference can add up to real money in your pocket. Okay? So, how do you choose? If you got a lower credit score with hiccups and bumps in your credit history, your route would be more towards the FHA route. If you are someone that has a strong credit profile and you got money saved, and your financial profile looks good because you followed my home buying guide to get you home ready, you would be rewarding and it'd be more beneficial for you to go the conventional route. Don't guess. Do not guess which profile, which loan fits you both. The best ideal thing to do is to speak with the lender, such as myself, to get your profile looked at, get your numbers ran, to see which situation better fits you. And not all traditional loans fit everyone. For example, self-employed individuals. Traditionally, they write off everything. So a traditional lending loan will not work, mortgage will not work for a self-employed borrower unless they filed their taxes without writing everything off, showing their income. But typically, self-employed individuals write everything off. So these two particular loans will not be ideal for them. They would be more suitable for my entrepreneur type of loans. Okay. So if this helped you out today, do me a favor and subscribe. I post new mortgage dates, news, how approvals, how you can get in the house. I post things home mortgage related, credit related every week. Go check out my next video, why a good income does not guarantee approval. This one surprised people. It really does. And one more thing before you go. If you are serious about buying a home, go and grab my free mortgage readiness checklist. It's a quick run through of what lenders actually look at. Your credit, your debt to income ratio, your down payment, all of it. So if you need to fix anything before you apply, it's completely free. The guide is completely free, and the link is in the description. Go grab it. See you all in the next one. Peace.